Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best iPhone 15 Pro phone cases of 2024. These cases are not just about protection, they're about style, functionality, and innovation. We've got some surprises in store that will make you rethink what a phone case can do. So, if you're an iPhone 15 Pro user or planning to be one, this video is a must-watch. For the most accurate information and up-to-date pricing on the products we'll discuss, check the links in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. Number 5. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid 01 Case. Number 4. The Torro Leather Pouch Phone Case. Number 3. The Speck Presidio Clear Case. Number 2. The Urban Armor Monarch Pro Kevlar Phone Case. Number 1. The Moft Case Stand and Wallet Snap Set Movas Phone Case.